Ready to ditch the static and inject some serious visual flair into your Wix website. Let's dive into how to add captivating sliding animations to your Wix elements, making your site not just informative, but totally unforgettable. First, open your Wix editor, select the element you want to animate. This could be text, an image, a button, really anything. Click on the element. Now, look for the animation icon. It usually looks like a little sparkle or a play button. Click it. This opens up Wix's built-in animation options. You'll see a variety of animation styles. We're focusing on sliding animations, so look for options like slide in left, slide in right, slide in top, or slide in bottom. Choose the one that best fits your design. Click on the animation you like to preview it on your selected element. See how smoothly it slides into view. Now, let's fine-tune that animation. Adjust the duration to control how fast or slow the slide is. A shorter duration makes it faster. A longer one makes it slower. Use delay to set a pause before the animation begins, which is great for creating layered effects, and play with easing to change the acceleration and deceleration of the slide, creating a more natural feel. Repeat these steps for other elements on your page to create a cohesive and dynamic feel, but remember, don't overdo it. Too many animations can be distracting. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've transformed your Wix website from static to stunning with engaging sliding animations. Now go forth and create a website that truly wows. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips and tricks.